don't know how these things work. One of these things. Unlock. Accessory off. Unlock, unlock. Maybe. Hey. And that one opens. Closes. Opens and closes. I don't think the lights are kicking on. Nope. No lights. That's pretty cool. $23,395. We're at 100% charge. Roof is fixed, but there's no cracks in the glass. Let's see. It won't go into gear. It will not go into gear. Let's see what we got here. Software and updates. Systems. Controls. One pedal drive. I don't know what that is. I'm just gonna go down this for y'all. Driver assistance. Vehicle. Let's go to menu. Let's see if the radio and amps work.
In English.
Sounds of flamenco and fandango, in that case, guitar quintet number 4. Pacifica Quartet. Sharon
cool.
Isbin was the guitarist.
I don't really know how that works.
This is called the Scaramouche. It is one of the great works of Darius Milhaud, Orpheus Chamber Orchestra, featuring Branford Marsalis.
Okay, enough of that.